Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Vita.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Jigyasa.
Ma'am,
Yes, Himanshu.
ma'am, how many chapters will come in
Afternoon,
half-yearly?
ma'am.
Good afternoon, Beta. But I'll speak about this as all the three sections are together today. So I'll tell you about the syllabus also that you have to prepare for.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. It is a arrangement period for C section and A section. Good afternoon, Bache. Let everyone join.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Bhumika. Beta, chapter 1 of history. We'll do some picture study question, picture-based questions, and we'll do a crossword
Ma'am,
puzzle.
what would be the syllabus of SST?
Wait, let everyone join in, beta. Your term 1 plus for history, term 1, whatever we have, geography, whatever we have, civics, whatever we have, economics, whatever we have, plus chapter 2 of history also. Right? In history, both the chapters I have given, and rest of the syllabus will be the same for the term 1 part. Good afternoon. Dhananjay.
Ma'am, both the chapters for history.
Anji. Because chapter 1 already you people have done in your UTs, and chapter 2, because November you'll be having your term 1, so we need to give practice for that as well, no? So you need to prepare that chapter also.
Ma'am, but we don't have nationalism in India for term 1.
Yes, ma'am, it's in the final.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
But
ma'am.
then
Yes, ma'am.
finals, listen, between finals and term 1, we hardly have time, beta. Try and understand.
Ma'am, but the age of industrialization, ma'am,
These
should
chapters
come
are
in
not
unit
there.
test.
No, age of industrialization is not there. Only these two chapters are there. Term 1, first chapter, term 2, second chapter. Right?
Ma'am, can you tell the syllabus again?
Yes, I will tell everything. I will give in writing to everyone in the chat box only. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, case study questions will be given.
Yes. Case study questions will be there for geography, for civics and economics.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? And your half-yearlies, they will be simply subjective, not at all objective. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
They will be completely subjective.
Ma'am, is in the syllabus for half yearly much?
Yes, yes. But I think you will not, you will be given, I think most probably after
Ma'am,
after 20th September only you will be having these exams. अभी है आपके पास एक महीने का समय almost.
Ma'am, half yearly will be of 50 marks.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, half yearly will be of 50 marks.
बेटा that I don't know. अभी तक तो 80 marks का ही है आप लोगों का half yearlies.
Ma'am, subjective or objective?
It will
Ma'am,
be
Neeraj said
completely,
Ma'am.
that it will
it
be
will be
50 marks.
completely subjective. No objective.
totally subjective.
Totally subjective. 1 marks question भी subjective होंगे, 2 marks question भी subjective होंगे, 3 marks भी subjective होंगे, 5 marks तो होते ही subjective है. ठीक है?
Ma'am, Neeraj sir was saying that it will be of 40 marks.
No.
Some teachers are saying that it is duty of 40 marks. Like, and you
Yes,
are saying
ma'am.
that
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be
And some are saying it is of 50 marks also.
Beta, you will be informed. Whatever it will be, you people will be informed prior, okay? As of now, we are considering it as half yearlies only of 80 marks. Whatever changes are done, you will be informed about those changes also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Beta?
Ma'am, Neeraj sir told that there will be no preparation leave.
बेटा ऐसा था, आप लोग क्यों परेशान हो जाते हो? मेरे को तो ये समझ में नहीं आता है। आप लोग बिल्कुल परेशान मत हुआ करो।
Ma'am, please don't give nationalism in India.
नहीं बेटा,
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
हम
Actually,
वो हम
syllabus
जरूर
is
Yes,
too
नहीं,
much.
नहीं, नहीं,
Ma'am.
नहीं। उस चैप्टर की बिल्कुल रिवीजन नहीं हुई है। चैप्टर 1 तो फिर भी एक बार हमने कई बार रिवाइज कर लिया, चैप्टर 2
तो
बिल्कुल
मैम फर्स्ट वाला मत दीजिए फिर।
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
First वाला cancel
ऐसा
कर
कर
दीजिए,
we
please.
can do that.
हाँ,
Ma'am, we can do the chapter after half yearly.
फिर चैप्टर 2 नहीं, चैप्टर 2
Yes,
तो हमारी करेंगे। नहीं 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 नहीं, तो हम चैप्टर 1
One मत दीजिए।
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. One मत दीजिए.
हम चैप्टर 1 नहीं देते हैं, ठीक है? तो इसको हम कर देते हैं।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what about geography?
Thank you, ma'am.
व्हाट अबाउट ज्योग्राफी? ज्योग्राफी में भी रुको। हिस्ट्री अभी तो फिलहाल चैप्टर 1 एंड 2 ही है जो हमने लिख के भेजा है ऑफिशियली। ज्योग्राफी में आपका चैप्टर 1 एंड चैप्टर 4 एग्रीकल्चर एंड चैप्टर 2 के ओनली मैप्स।
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस बेटा।
Ma'am, is it final that you will not give chapter 1 in history?
नहीं, अभी इट इज नॉट फाइनल। आई नीड टू
Yes,
स्पीक
ma'am.
टू प्रिंसिपल सर रिगार्डिंग दिस। तभी तो हमने चैप्टर 1 एंड 2 दोनों दिया है बेटा।
Ma'am, but Divya ma'am was saying that the paper will be related to term 1 only.
It will be related to term 1. I have told sir that already several times test has been taken for chapter 1. Chapter 2 we have not done. We have not touched it even.
Ma'am, let's just do chapter 2 for half yearly and not chapter 1.
Ma'am, class test and all.
बोला तो I'll speak to sir. Whatever he says, I'll follow him. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then civics, chapter 1, chapter 2. Right?
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Just a second. Economics. You have chapter 1, chapter 2. Right? Got the syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी के लिए
Ma'am,
आप
only history syllabus is not final.
हिस्ट्री में चैप्टर 2 पे फोकस करो, ठीक है? चैप्टर 1 पे फोकस मत करो,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
राइट?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा बोलो।
Afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून।
Ma'am, according to the syllabus given by CBSE, the geography chapter 2 is completely related.
नहीं बेटा, मैप वर्क इज देयर।
Ma'am, map is given from
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is
Map
to
work of chapter
three.
5 is there,
Only
ma'am.
map works.
ओनली मैप वर्क फॉर चैप्टर 2 इज देयर, रेस्ट नथिंग इज देयर। चैप्टर 2 नहीं, चैप्टर 3, सॉरी, चैप्टर 3,
Yes, ma'am.
सॉरी, ज्योग्राफी इट इज चैप्टर 3।
So, ma'am, we have to prepare maps of chapter 3.
Yes, chapter 3 maps you have to prepare. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Geo chapter 1 and
Yes,
4 we have
ma'am.
not to
1, 3.
prepare the maps.
1, 3 and 4 map work. 1, 3 and 4 map work will come. Sorry, 1 and 4 you will have the whole chapter along with the maps, and chapter 3 only map work will be there. Water resources chapter. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye. I am sharing the screen with you all, and your attendance will be marked in the last 10 minutes of the class. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
और अभी जो हम ये काम करवा रहे हैं, लेट इट बी द वर्कशीट जिसका असेसमेंट होगा इंटरनल मार्क्स के लिए, ठीक है?
मैम कौन सी वर्कशीट?
अभी हम दे रहे हैं आपको, पिक्चर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं। देखा? हाँ, ये आपका चैप्टर 1 का है. आइडेंटिफाई द पर्सन्स पेंटिंग्स डिपिक्टेड इन द फॉलोइंग पिक्चर्स, विच मॉडर्न नेशंस आर दे रिलेटेड टू. ठीक है, कोई डिस्कस नहीं करेगा. अपने आंसर्स आप लिखो, अपने आंसर्स आप लिखो, और जो है उसमें से उसको एक एक करके आप उस पे भेजो, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भेजो अपने.
मैम दिस वी हैव टू डन
मैम
फेयर
एक एक
कॉपी।
पार्ट के
हाँ जी,
मैम
मैम
फेयर
एक एक
नोटबुक.
पार्ट की
हाँ, फेयर नोटबुक. जो चीज आपको अभी स्क्रीन पे दिख रही है, फर्स्ट 4 क्वेश्चंस, इसके आपके आंसर भेज दो. ठीक है, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो दिखाएंगे उसके आंसर्स भेजो. राइट?
मैम फोटो
हाँ, ये आपको क्लियर है?
ma'am,
फोटोज
the first picture.
फर्स्ट
यस
सेकंड
मैम ऐसा ना
ऐसे क्लियर है ना?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
चलिए, फाइन. ठीक है, क्लास डन.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, could you please zoom to figure 3?
Just a second. The last two you want to see?
Ma'am, figure 3.
Figure 3. It's on the screen.
Ma'am, can you please show the question once?
The first figure, the question you want.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay.
Could you show the last image?
Yes.
I'm done.
All have
Ma'am,
done?
please wait.
Acha, waiting. Beta, send your answers on the group. Specify it as question number 1.
Ma'am, please show the first and second picture.
I'm sent.
Viresh has given.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
Okay. Beta, look at your handwriting. You need to work on your handwriting also. You will be giving offline exams. The subjective part. Class?
Yes, ma'am.
You all need to work on your writing as well, handwriting as well. Okay. Kanika. Whether correct or incorrect, I'll give afterwards. Let everyone post their answers, okay? Shall I change? All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, रुको एक मिनट. Just a second. Fine. This is the second one. Beta Harsh. Harsh Tomar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta,
Yes,
your,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
your answers are incomplete. You have only sent one first part of the question. Second part you have not completed. Even Ananya, you have also not completed the second part. Acha, you have said. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, Harsh. Only 4 have sent in class 10th B. Om, you also need to work on your handwriting.
Okay, ma'am.
Agrim, you also.
Okay, ma'am.
Answers are, acha, I will not tell whether correct or not, but you need to work on your handwriting. I hope you are doing this in your fair notebooks.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. 10th A. There is no participant of 10th A in the class right now.
Ma'am, I am there. Ma'am, I am doing right now.
Send your answers, beta. Bhumika.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
भेजो बच्चे.
Ma'am, could you please show the questions of 3?
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, the questions of 3, ma'am, not the figure.
Question of this one.
मैम क्वेश्चन 3 का मैम 2 क्वेश्चन है ना मैम
Third
वो
picture का
पूछना
बेटा एक बार सब लोगों को कर लेने दो फिर अभी क्वेश्चंस दिखा देंगे है ना. लेट एवरीवन फिनिश बिकॉज वो फिर अननेसेसरी कंफ्यूजन रहेगा है ना. यही वाला.
Ma'am,
Done?
No, ma'am, please. मैम वो एक बार फिर से शो कर दो।
ये वाला ना, ये क्वेश्चन है, ये थर्ड वाले का क्वेश्चन है
हाँ।
बेटा।
मैम एक बार फिर से।
नेक्स्ट वाला जो इससे पहले वाला इमेज था वो दिखाना है।
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
Please show its question.
Okay, showing.
We just have to write its answer or questions.
The answers. Only the answers you write, no?
Okay. What is the meaning of caricature?
बेटा वो जो पिक्चर थी पीछे। Okay, 10C will rejoin at 12:40. Okay, on the same link.
No, I didn't get the first question of the third part.
First question of the third part.
ma'am, please show the next page.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you explain the C part of question 3?
Same part of this one.
Ma'am, C.
What do mussels on the mouth and hand raising? वो जो उनके आपने देखा हो ना, उनके मुंह बंद है एक पट्टी से पिक्चर में.
Yes, ma'am.
So they are asking कि भाई वो जो raised hands हैं और ये mussels जो हैं on the mouth, what does it signifies? उसका क्या मतलब है?
Okay, ma'am.
We have to post our answers after doing the fourth part.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Okay. Beta, I don't have class in 10th, okay? I have class in 9th, right? So no need to rejoin. I have deleted the link.
Ma'am, so next lecture is free.
I think your next lecture is free.
Ma'am, but
we
you
only have
had
7 periods
the
on Saturday.
Saturdays?
Yes, ma'am.
Saturdays we don't have a class, no? We have class on Fridays.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
So Saturday,
Yesterday we have a class.
हाँ. चलो ये दो अभी और भी थे. ये हम जब कभी हमारा कंबाइंड क्लास होगा ना इन नियर फ्यूचर, मे बी मंडे ट्यूसडे, so in that we'll continue with the same, and do remind me with all the 3 sections, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And your attendance will be marked. Your attendance will be marked only when your work is checked on the class group. Otherwise, you will be marked as absent for today.
Ma'am, correct answers.
I'll send the correct answers. You don't worry for that. Let everyone send it on the group. By evening, I'll send the correct answers also.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. आज के लिए इतना ही रहने देते हैं because अभी बहुत I think hardly 3 minutes are left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when will the syllabus be confirmed?
This you will get to know within a day or so, or by 1st of September you'll get to know the syllabus for your half yearlies.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, send it on the group. I'm checking.
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting? My battery is almost dead.
Okay, send your answers.
ma'am sent.
Okay.